Hi friends, this video shows how to factory reset MetaQuest 3. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Open MetaQuest app. Tap on this app icon. I already connected this app to MetaQuest 3. That is why we are seeing MetaQuest 3 connected. Tap here. Then tap on MetaQuest 3. Then select headset settings. Tap here. Tap on advanced setting. Tap here, advanced settings, and here we can see factory reset. Tap here. So this will remove your account information and all downloaded games and content from this headset. So if you want to reset, you can tap on reset and you can trigger factory reset. You should be careful. So this will remove your account information and all downloaded games and content from this headset. If you are okay with that, you can select reset and reset this device. Okay, so this way we can do factory reset. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.